can't watch this. I can't watch this. I can't watch this. I can't watch this. I can't watch this.
TV makes me so bored, makes me say, oh my lord, what is this garbage here? Wanna cover my eyes and plug my ears. It sucks, and that's no lie. It's about as much fun as watching paint dry. Lowers my IQ one notch, and that's the reason why I can't watch. I told you, homeboy,
I can't watch this.
yeah, nothing but trash, and you know
I can't watch this.
poke out my eyes, man.
I can't watch this.
Yo, give me that remote control.
I can't watch this.
Talking about 6 shows of America's funniest home videos. I can't believe my eyes when I see the kind of stuff that wins first prize. Somebody's poor old mom falls down off the roof, lands right on the lawn, face first. On a rake, I hear they got it on the 17th